Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do the deep research on the Perplexity and how to use and resources, evaluate the resources. Because Perplexity is just not a tool that go ahead and search and give you a general query, or it's not a general AI tool. It's a tool that used for the deep research. So if you guys want to use it for the deep research, then you must be very careful about all the citations, all the sources that's been included in it. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys. There are a few things that you guys can do. One is to use the focus. If you're doing an academic research, make sure that you go ahead and tell it to be specific. There are buttons like it can research, deep research, learn step by step, interactive, and then there is a button for perplexity computer. So there are some of the models as well over here, but I would strictly suggest you guys to type in if you want to use a resource. For example, if there are different modes from here, you guys can go ahead use deep research scale and tell it to focus on academic resources. Thus, once the you will have all the results, you will see there will be citations and blogs and links to the sources. Then you have to verify it by going and opening those links, and then you will know that they are actually credible and you guys can use it into your own research models. So there is a human test that must be included in it, and otherwise, their information, the AI can make mistakes, and the information can be vague sometimes upon the resources if you don't tell it specifically what you want to know. So this is pretty much it for the video. See you in the